Over flushing the Mod1 printer, a couple things you're going to need here is your 5-point flush kit. It's included with every accessories kit that goes out with the mod. You're going to need a mixture of 50% distilled water, 50% household ammonia, and of course you're going to need your syringe and a Y splitter. First thing you want to do is get a absorbent towel, something like a paper towel or a t-shirt, so that when you disconnect the bags, the excess ink has somewhere to go. It's not going to get all over the place. First thing we're going to do is unhook these color bags. I've already taken the white bag off. Dump the excess ink onto the towel and go ahead and cap these bags back off. You don't want to leave them exposed to air. Alright, once you're finished with that, you can go ahead and hit your bottle of ammonia and distilled water. Again, that's a 50-50 mix. Go ahead and hook your bag ink connectors. Alright, clean off my hands here a little bit. Alright, next what we're going to do is go ahead and grab the 2 maintenance lines. And this Y splitter here is going to give us the ability to pull from both. Make the flushing process a little quicker. Go ahead and hook up our syringe. Make sure it's tight. So you get a nice seal. Now you want to empty your waste bottle, so that way anything we pull through here we can just go ahead and put right in there. Go ahead and just start pulling. Makes it easier if you pull the plunger all the way back and hold it. As you can see, the color lines are pretty much already clear. The white does take quite a bit more. So at this point what I'm going to do is remove the Y splitter and just begin to pull from the white side itself. And this will make that process go a little bit quicker. What you can also do to help is grab the chain and beat it. And what that'll do is help any settled white ink resuspend itself in the fluid. You want to keep pulling until the line is completely clear. See, we've already gone through about halfway of the bottle. You're most likely going to end up using the whole bottle to do this. Speed along the process is actually lift these up out of the fluid. And what this will help do is pull a little air in there. And those air bubbles will help move along that white ink. See there, it's pretty much agitating everything in the lines. And go ahead and stick it back in the bottle. Go ahead and pull fluid through there again. You may want to do that once or twice, especially if you see up in the bends here is where the white ink really builds up when it settles. Alright, so the lines are largely cleaned out. The last thing we need to do is we don't want to leave this ammonia in the system. And we're going to want to follow this up with flushing solution. The flushing solution has lubricants inside of it to keep the print head lubricated. So here you can see here, got my Cleans Right flushing solution. You're not going to need anywhere near as much as you did for the ammonia with distilled water. Again, we're just trying to get that little bit of ammonia out of there. So again, we're going to open up both our fittings using our Y splitter. Hook each side up. Hook up our syringe. And at most, you'll be doing about 2 pulls of this. Just there. We're going to hook these back up. Make sure you flip yourself in the eye with ink when you do that. And push these right on the side here. And lastly, perform a simple clean by holding down the green button for 3 to 5 seconds. This will clear out the flooded capping station, and you are finished.